These short videos are going to deal with the next theory point, which is consonants as endings. Now you can think of these as special outlines and then you can just apply them to everything. But the point is that you must remember that they're disjoined. So you have to try and think of the root word first and then you disjoin the ending. And we're going to start with a disjoined C, which has the ending -nts. So you have day becomes dance. Allow becomes allowance. Unts is announce. I hope you're trying to read them before I say them. And then you've got unts, which is fence. Unts, chance. DST, unts, distance. And you have to remember exactly what is represented. So with distance, it's unts. So you're left with DST that needs to be written. So for example, with fence, if I put an N in, it becomes finance. But you don't need the two N's, you only need one, because one is represented by the disjoined C. And as always, you can add things. So dance becomes dancer just by adding an R. Allowance becomes allowances by adding an S. And here we've got agency by adding an I for Y on the end of the C. So now moving on to CH, which represents unch. So have a think while I'm writing the lines in. Let's go for alternate colours this time. How would you write lunch? LCH for unch. So that could be lunch. It could also be launch. And it goes as close as possible to the previous letter. Don't separate them too much, but you have to have that gap. So what would happen if I add an N? Lunch becomes luncheon. Pinch. P with a C disjoined for unch. And if I wanted pinched, CH and add a D. So now that's the end of this video for this section. I'd like you to have a look at the other words on the online course, and then there's another video just before the next endings.